Welcome to the Gadget Line. Today we're gonna talk about related to the WordPress. Today I find out my website article that comes first or at the top of the Google search page was deleted by Google or nowhere it was found. Actually, it wasn't on a Google search page anymore. It was a panic situation for me that what went wrong. So I searched it out and did URL inspection in Google Search Console and found out the problem was related to breadcrumbs, or you can say data vocabulary. In short, I can only say that from April 6, 2020, data vocabulary was no more part of Google search result features. Previously, this problem lay within Blogspot. That's why you won't see much exact solution for WordPress. So that's why I decided to make this video to help you out. Without much delay, let's come to the solution. First, you have to open the Google Search Console. Now go to breadcrumbs right over here. Now you can see the error, the issues, the total number of issues, warning, error. This is your data vocabulary error. Just click on it. So basically this is an error which is creating so much problem in WordPress. Now if you want to test, just copy the URL from over here, just click on it. And now paste in URL inspection over here. Now you can see Google is indexing this, and yes, URL is on Google but has issue. This is the problem, and you can see down here breadcrumbs is giving two errors, unknown errors. These are the errors which we gonna solve it in this video. In case if you didn't find the error in the URL inspection, just go to Google and type Google Structured Data Testing Tool and click on the first result. Now copy the same URL and paste it in a given column and run test. Actually, I have solved this issue in my website, so it will not detect anything, but it will look like something this. Let's see how to solve it. Come to your WordPress dashboard. Now go to Yoast CEO. Now click on Search Appearance. Now click on a breadcrumb menu and disable the breadcrumb. If it is enabled, disable it and click on Save Changes. Now come to the appearance and click on the customization. Now go to the blog section and then click on the single post. Here you have to disable the breadcrumbs. If you see it, enable. Basically you have to find the single post option in your theme and disable the breadcrumbs in your theme. Click on publish and finish the setup. It's still not over here. You have to do one more important thing, is to install the breadcrumb plugins. Just go to your plugin and add new. Now search for the term breadcrumb. Now install the breadcrumb navXT plugin from here and activate it. Well, I've already installed it, so I don't have to install it again. That's it. And if you want to see the setting of it, you can see that by the time all your problem related to breadcrumbs has been solved. If you go back to the Google structure data tool, then you will find it will detect 0 errors. Hence your problem has been totally solved. Now open the Google Search Console and copy the same link and paste it into the URL inspection. Now you can see your URL is all green. There's no breadcrumb errors anymore. Hence your error has been solved permanently. Don't forget to validate your fix so that Google will know your breadcrumb error has been fixed. Well, I can say within 2 hours my deleted or lost search results started to appear on the first page of Google search, right at the top, just like previously. I hope this solution would fix your problem, so don't forget to like and subscribe us. Thank you for watching.